Hi everyone, my name is Vaidarbi. Today I am going to speak about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is elephant. Elephant is a wild animal and it is the biggest animal in the land. It lives in forest. It also kept in zoo and domesticated. It has 4 pillar-like legs, fan-like ears and a long trunk. It has 2 small eyes and a short tail. It has 2 long white teeth called tusks. Elephant trunk is very flexible. It uses the trunk for drinking, breathing, eating and picking up things. Elephant is dark grey in color. Elephant eats fruits, green grass, leaves, sugarcane, etc. Elephant is a strong and intelligent animal. Thank you.